snowbirds are all active serving members of the Canadian Armed Forces. Captain Emotion wants to share your photos with the world. Follow us at CM Snowbirds on Instagram. Our nine-plane line press formation.
Oh, we are at Canada Parliament in Ottawa. There's so many people because they're gonna come and watch the Thunderbirds. Snowbirds, I mean. What snowbirds?
There's a plane up there.
Where? There's the plane.
I'm assuming a lot of people going on. You want a hug?